What if I told you, you don't actually need more sleep to feel energized tomorrow? You need better timed sleep. Because right now, millions of people are sleeping 8 hours and still waking up tired, while others sleep 6 to 7 hours and wake up sharp, focused, and ready to win the day. So what's the difference? It's not genetics. It's not luck. It's understanding how your brain recovers while you sleep. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to wake up feeling refreshed, even if you can't sleep longer. Step 1. The lie we've been told. We've all heard this. Just sleep 8 hours. But here's the truth nobody explains. Sleep isn't one long charging session. It's a series of 90-minute cycles, and each cycle has different stages. Light sleep, deep sleep, body repair, and REM sleep, brain recovery. If you wake up in the wrong stage, even after 8 hours, you feel like a zombie. Ever notice how sometimes 6 hours feels amazing, but 8 hours feels terrible? That's not random. That's sleep cycle timing. Step 2. The 90-minute rule. Your brain works in 90-minute recovery loops. Waking up in the middle of deep sleep equals groggy, heavy, brain fog. Waking up at the end of a cycle equals alert, clear, energized. So instead of asking, how many hours should I sleep, ask, how many cycles can I complete? Good wake-up points are around 6 hours, 4 cycles, 7.5 hours, 5 cycles, 9 hours, 6 cycles. That's why 7.5 hours often feels better than 8, because timing beats total hours. Step 3. The real energy killer. Here's the real problem. Most people destroy their sleep quality before their head even hits the pillow. 3 big mistakes. 1. Screens before bed. Blue light tells your brain it's daytime. Melatonin, your sleep hormone, gets delayed. 2. Late night overthinking. Your body is tired, but your brain is in problem-solving mode. 3. Random sleep schedule. Sleeping at 1 a.m. one day, 11 p.m. the next. Your internal clock never knows when to recover properly. So even if you're in bed for 8 hours, your brain might only get 5 hours of real recovery. Step 4. How to feel energized with less sleep. Now here's the good part. If you can't sleep longer, make your sleep deeper and more efficient. Body rule number 1. Protect the last hour before bed. No intense scrolling, no stressful work, dim lights, calm your brain. This helps you fall asleep faster and enter deep sleep sooner. Body rule number 2. Cool, dark, quiet room. Your body sleeps best in a slightly cool environment. Darkness increases melatonin. Silence prevents micro wake-ups you don't even remember. Body rule number 3. Same sleep and wake time, even weekends. This trains your brain to release sleep hormones on schedule. After a few days, you'll fall asleep faster and wake up with less effort. Body rule number 4. Morning sunlight within 10 minutes. This is powerful. Sunlight hitting your eyes in the morning resets your body clock and helps you fall asleep earlier at night. Better night sleep equals easier morning wake-up. Step 5. The 30-minute night reset routine. Try this tonight. Last 30 minutes before bed. Lights dim, no phone in bed, slow breathing or light stretching. Think about tomorrow's top 1 priority. Reduces overthinking. You're signaling to your brain, recovery mode starts now. This one habit alone can make 6.5 hours feel like 8. Here's the truth. You can't cheat sleep forever. Your body always keeps score. But when you understand sleep cycles, protect your sleep quality, and wake up at the right time, you don't just wake up, you start the day with momentum. Tonight, don't just go to bed, go to recover. And tomorrow morning, notice the difference.